Hi everyone, we're going to be talking about a very important subject today, but before we get into it, make sure to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you are currently manifesting your SP, I have just the course for you. I have a 14-week course on how to manifest the love of your life, a relationship, someone out of thin air, someone from the past, a celebrity, having a relationship get better than it is right now. All of that is in this course. We focus on self-concept, what I talk about in this video. We talk about disproving limiting beliefs. We talk about different techniques that we can use. I provide affirmations every week. Go on RitaKaminski.com, check out the testimonials. People are loving this course. People are getting great, amazing results. They're finding that they can manifest everything else in their life after their SP with this course. This course is universal and timeless. You have it forever. So to enroll, click on the very first link in the description box down below. Listen, you need to walk, talk, and live by the following rules if you are a woman. You must only accept first class, top tier treatment from a man. So anything other than him treating you like you are not a queen, but the queen to rule them all, if he's not treating you like that, it's irrelevant and unacceptable. It's nothing personal on his side or on your side. You have your standards. You know that you are worth top tier treatment. So anything outside of that is just unacceptable. It doesn't matter the story behind y'all's relationship. It doesn't matter if you've been together for 10 years. It doesn't matter if you feel like you'll never be able to find a man again. That is just not true. Please view yourself as the woman that is worthy of the best of the best. Not just from men, but from work, from how you experience life on a day-to-day basis, what seats you get on a plane, what restaurant you choose, what food you choose at a restaurant, what friends you surround yourself in your life, what music you listen to, the content that you watch, anything that you experience on a moment-to-moment basis. You have to know that you are worthy of top tier, first class, nothing but the best. You were put on this planet to be happy. So in order for us to fulfill that, we can't just be saying yes to everyone and everything. We politely decline if it is not up to our standards. If that toxic friend is asking you to hang out, we politely decline. If that fuckboy is messaging you at 2 a.m. to hang out, we politely decline. We're doing everything with kindness because everything is us. Everyone is you pushed out. By doing things with kindness, we are not giving that person or that situation power, because they don't have power, because the only thing that has power is you, because it's your reality. So the only idea that you must know from this video is that you came out as a perfect being, a perfect soul, perfect personality. You grew up, everything about you was perfect, from the mistakes and the experiences to the good times and the bad times. You are put on this planet to experience the joys of this world, to expand with others, to expand within yourself, to explore this world in all different aspects, because that was what you were put on this planet to do, and the way that you were born has not changed to how you are now. Your experiences do not define you. The way that you were talked to or treated before does not define you. The way your parents raised you does not define you. The way that you grew up, your circumstances, how much money or lack thereof you had, nothing outside of you is relevant. It's all within you. You can't change a soul. You are a soul, and you are perfect the way that you are. So imagine telling your 3-year-old self that she deserves this treatment from this boy cheating on her in the future. That doesn't sound right at all, right? And so we're not getting angry, we're not getting emotional. We're just being cold, professional, and straight to the point about it. It is unacceptable. I choose to not have this in my reality. I am open to the best outcome for my life. I am open to only the best experiences, people, circumstances, situations, experiences, flights, laughs, food, drinks, cars, houses, accolades. I only experience the best men, and men only treat me with the highest integrity, because that is what I am worth. Nothing else should be relevant. It should be like a fly flying away. You just swat it like that. You don't think anything of it. You're not thinking, ew, disgusting. It's something neutral. We're not thinking about that fly or that not up to par man. We're simply swatting it away because it's not relevant. It's just a little blip. It's just a little speck. It's a little dust particle. It has nothing to do with us. Swat it away. Know your worth.